Call. Item number 1.
I appear for the petition. I am praying for not this week, my lord.
Not this week.
Not this week, my lord.
Learned counsel for the declare. Learned counsel for the petitioner. Prays for not this week. Let this matter be adjourned. Next. Item number 2. Item number 2. None for the parties. Let this matter be adjourned. Item number 3.
Lordship, item number 3 and 4, I'm appearing on behalf of the petitioner, Lordship. I'm led by Mr. Nandini Mitra. She has some personal difficulty, could not come to the court today, Lordship. I'm bringing only not today or else not this week.
Proxy counsel so and so appears and states that the main arguing counsel in some personal difficulty. Let this matter be adjourned for today. Item number 4.
3 and 4, sir. 3, 4 and 14.
3, 4 and
14.
14. Same order, huh? 3, 4, 14.
Right.
Just give your appearance.
Yes.
Next.
Item number 5.
Item number 5.
Lordship, Mr. Klingol Bhattacharya is appearing for the petitioner. I'm praying for not today.
Learned transfer the petitioner states request for a not today. Let this matter be not today. Item number 7.
Item number 7.
6.
For the
6 भी होगा बीच में ना
3 weeks.
3 weeks. 7.
Item number 7. I appear for the I will respond in
I
number
am for
5.
the petitioner, my lord. Probably, my lord, this is a part-hard matter of Justice Partha South. It's been recorded in the order, my lord.
I don't know whether it's parted or not, but
That-
it's part by Justice
My lord,
Chatterjee.
flag has been tagged, probably. Flag there to the photo shoot.
Parted. Learned counsel for the party state that the present matter has been heard in part by Honorable Justice Parthasarathy Chatterjee.
Correct,
The
ma'am.
same is reflected in the order dated 5/9/2023. Let this matter be listed before the Honorable Bench of so and so, subject to order of the Honorable Chief Justice. Okay.
Okay.
Item number 8. क्या हुआ? वही और same order, none for the parties. Adjourn for the day. Same order. Proof for the petitioner. None for the petitioner. Adjourn for the day. You should have called the petitioner. We could have heard the matter. At least one matter. It's okay. I'm giving it. Same. Same कर लो कोई है नहीं. Same.
I appear for the petition.
Yes, yes. Who's for the respondents?
Will it be High Court administration and will it be state government? Mr. Tapan Kumar Mukherjee, learned senior advocate.
Well, in this matter, for the High Court administration being led by Mr. Joydeep Kaur.
Yes.
He has not been able to come to this court today, so I'm praying for not to be. Yes, he has come to the court premises, but not.
Senior advocate.
Senior advocate. Will it-
Appearing in that court just now,
Mr. Kaur,
Mr. Kaur. Before me only, on the other bench. All right, you want it not today?
Milord, may I seek only one indulgence, Milord? Law has personal difficulty, I will not object. Milord, if your lordship kindly fix a date, we are, Milord, all are in the evening of our life. We have been rendering service as a fast track court employee, Milord, which was constituted, Milord, as a sequel to the order passed by the Supreme Court, Milord, giving honor to, Milord, the Article 21 principle, saying, Milord, that the early disposal is the right under.
My only difficulty would be, sir, that I'm here only for like 3 days, in between taking these matters.
Well, I am told that he is on his way. Mr. Kaur is on his way. I can take up the matter.
But state is also required, Milord.
State is also required. All benefits flow from the state. We'll have it not today then. None for the state. Let this matter be adjourned for the day. You give his appearance.
Yes, yes.
Milord, I am appealing for the petition. In municipal employee, Milord, served 33 years continuously. And pension has
Who's
been
on the other side, sir?
state
for the
and
respondent?
state was appearing regularly, but municipality was not represented. Paripur municipality. On last occasion they appeared, but I was not there, my lord. It is my only one time I attended.
So none for the respondent, adjourn for the day.
Yes. Yes, it was. Oh.
18. I am for the petitioner, my lord.
Yes, sir, who's there for the respondent?
No.
None for the respondent, adjourn for the day.
Okay.
And for the respondent.
Only one party appears. None for the petitioner, adjourn for the day.
You also kindly fix a date when it was there. Matter when the petition is
See, I don't know whether I'll be holding this roster or not, so.
Item number 20.
Or at least one matter, my lord, in which both the parties are here. My lord, the petitioners, my lord, there are 32 petitioners, my lord, before your lordships.
Yes.
Now, my lord, who are all academic supervisors. My lord, these petitioner, my lord, this department was initially under the Department of Panchayat and Rural Development. My lord, thereafter, my lord, it was shifted to the, my lord, Education Department of the Government of West Bengal. Now, my lord, the point in this writ petition is very short. But if your lordship, my lord, kindly comes to, my lord, page 152 of the writ petition.
Yes.
My lord, page 152 is a government memorandum, my lord, dated 12th of February 2021. Now, my lord, may I please see? The matter for annual enhancement of remuneration was placed under the active consideration of the government for the para-teachers, primary and upper primary, Shiksha Bondhu, special educators, management staff of PBSSM, and for the Shoyak, Shoyikas and Somprasharikas of the SSKs and MSKs. Now, in cancellation of memo number such and such dated 12 February 2021, the governor has been pleased to accord approval for an yearly enhancement of remuneration at the rate of 3% and one-time terminal benefit of rupees 3 lakhs on attaining the age of 60 years in respect of para-teachers and other categories of personnel engaged under the Samogra Shiksha Mission, SSK, MSK teachers who have been brought under the school education department in the recent past. This order shall be effective from 1st of February 2021. Now, my lord, pursuant to this,
Yes.
my lord, if your lordship takes up the next page, page 153. Now, my lord, pursuant to this memorandum, my lord, the Shoyaks, my lord, were getting rupees 10,000. The Mukhya Shoyaks were getting 10,340. Somprasharikas 13,000. Mukhya Somprasharikas 14,000. And academic supervisors, my lord, 12,500. Now, my lord, pursuant to that, my lord, thereafter, but if your lordship takes up page 154.
Yes.
But in page 154, my lord, with regard to, my lord, page 152, my lord, the 3% enhancement, my lord, of Shoyak Shoyikas was given. Lordship would get it at page 154. My lord, the 10,000 was enhanced to 10,300 in case of Shoyak and Shoyikas. My lord, Mukhya Shoyaks and Shoyikas 10,340 to to 10,650, সম্প্রসারিকাস 13,000 to 13,390, and মুখ্য সম্প্রসারক and সম্প্রসারিকাস 14,000 to 14,420, 3% enhancement, but academic supervisors were completely left out. Now, my lord, the same continued, my lord, in the financial year, my lord, 2022, lordship would get it at page 174. Page 174, my lord, annexure P11. Well, this is in respect of the year 2022. Well, same thing in case of shoyoks, mukko shoyoks, somprosharoks and mukko somprosharoks, another 3% enhancement, because my lord, the notification at page, my lord, 153 said that there shall be a 3% enhancement per year in respect of all. But here also, my lord, the academic supervisors have been left out.
So the first one which you were showing me 148, right?
My lord, first one which I was showing your lordships is
153.
152.
152.
My lord, 152 was followed in 153. My lord, 152 followed in 154.
No, but academic supervisor is not there in 152.
My lord, 152 says para teachers, শিক্ষা বন্ধু, special educators, appointment of staff of such and such, and for the shoyok, shoyikas, সম্প্রসারক, সম্প্রসারিকাস of the
Right.
SSKs and MSKs.
Your dispute is regarding only the academic
Academic supervisors, lordship.
So in the first which you're showing me at page 152, academic supervisor is not there. Correct?
No, my lord, academic supervisors, my lord, that my lord, academic supervisor,
They are not there.
Or may I, sir?
Yes. please.
I'm appearing for the mission, Poshimabangor Rajya Shiksha Shiksha Mission. We are the implementing authority. But initially, this SSK, MSK, Madhyamik Shiksha Kendra and Shishu Shiksha Kendra, those are under control of Panchayat and Rural Development Department. There, the policy was to enhance yearly after 5 years, enhancement was there. In 2020, this SSK and MSK, after coming into effect of Right to Education Act, those have been brought under the umbrella of Education Department. Now, Education Department, they have adopted the Shohayok, Shohayikas, Somprosharok, Somprosharikas. That's mean the faculty members. And they are silent about this category of staff who are known as academic supervisor. They are engaged with the work of this MSK, SSK, as well as it's called Shomiti Education Officer. Now, for fixing salary and an honorarium of this kind of persons, we are to follow the last circular which was issued by the Panchayat Department. Now, for MSK, SSK, faculty members, we are following Education Department circular, that's of 2021, page 152. But for them, we have been following 10. It's a discrimination. I say it's a discrimination. But we cannot remove this unless orders come from the government itself. So the issue.
Have you made a representation to the government?
No, my lord, representation, my lord, I am aggrieved by if your lordship takes up 202. The last page of your lordship's brief. Now, my lord, the government has taken a decision. My lord, in terms of the memorandum number 518, such and such, dated 18th October 2019, the honorarium of the academic supervisors was enhanced and fixed at rupees 12,500 only per month from 1st April 2019. Further, the honorarium of academic supervisors will be enhanced from 1st April 2022 at the rate of 5% at every interval of 3 years, as per the approval of the competent authority on the basis of the earlier order issued by memo number such and such. The enhanced honorarium of the academic supervisors will be rupees 13,125 only per month from 1st April 2022. This order will take retrospective effect from 1st April. But my contention is, but in case of what my learned friend has said, the Panchayat Department circular says 3% enhancement every year.
No, 5%.
5% in every 3 years. Now, when you are increasing the Mukkho Somprosharoks and Somprosharikas, at the rate of 3% per annum every year, 3% per annum, My lord, here they are still following, my lord, saying that we shall be entitled to get 5% after every interval of 3 years.
Because
But
they
this
have
is
not yet been
discriminated.
adopted by this education department.
The reason is that, you know, you are controlled still by the Panchayati Raj department, not by the education department.
No, my lord, we are now under the education department.
No, I
You
thought
make a
transfer.
representation to the education department.
All
If
right.
you are under the education department, because he's saying that you're not under the education department, what does the reply say? Affidavit opposition.
But they have not yet filed it. There was a
How-
direction, no
May I
opposition
submit
till
one?
date.
But sir, you have to file your affidavit in
No, I have
opposition. How
submitted.
do you argue this
না,
matter?
কোথায়? I have heard. No, this.
Where's the affidavit in opposition?
No, that has been
You have
affirmed
to
or
bring your
somehow.
stand on record.
No, that has already been affirmed, but somehow I missed. Not kindly take any day. Or my your lordship can do one.
You have filed it or you're filing it?
No, today I cannot. It has been affirmed.
Been affirmed.
It
But you
has
have
been
not-
affirmed.
But you have not filed it, right?
Yes, ma'am. But your lordship can do one thing.
Yeah.
But since it's a case that সম্প্রসারক সম্প্রসারিকা, they have been adopted by education department. Now the persons who are known as academic supervisor, they has not yet been adopted by education.
So that suggestion which is falling from you, I can only do it if he agrees to file a representation.
He has to.
So that
He has to file it
decide.
before the
I can't
finance.
force him to file a
Because-
representation.
Because unless there is a guideline or circular by the government, my lord, we
But he's
cannot.
right to that
we cannot.
extent that you have to move a representation to the government.
The only thing is, my lord, let them come up with their opposition, my lord, let
Any
their
demo,
stand be
any
clear.
demolition.
Learned counsel for the respondent seeks time to file affidavit in opposition. Let the same be done within a period of
Any demo, because this is ready,
1 week.
affirmed itself.
But 1 week, my lord, I shall file my reply within 1
But
week.
tomorrow I shall
Apply to
I
the
shall supply.
affidavit in opposition, another 1 week. List after 4 weeks,
Good.
But could it be 3 weeks? Because
3 weeks.
3 weeks. Chalo.
None for the party that. I think all the criminal bar sits here, huh?